Hey y'all, today I am filming a new video. As you can see, I'm wearing a pair of Quay sunglasses. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be showing y'all. I have an unboxing happening. So here's the package. I've just gotten it delivered today. It took 5 days to come in. So here we go. I'm just gonna attack the box because this is a very unique box. Like, I haven't seen a box like this before. Inside there are 3 pairs of sunglasses. So, oh my god. Oh, I hurt myself. Oh, so they've given me a Christmas discount. This is what the inside of the box looks like. This is the inside of the box. Would you believe we fell in love on the internet? Okay, I'm not gonna read this because, you know. So I have 3 sunglasses wrapped in this little beautiful pink wrapping that I'm currently destroying right now. Okay, I'm hella excited. Okay, so we have, the first one is Don't At Me. Don't At Me. So it comes in this really nice clear case to protect your lenses. And it also comes with a glasses cleaner. I got these pair. And I don't know if they suit me or not. Wow, these feel very fresh. I need to be delicate because I can't be ripping off nothing and breaking their glasses, because girl. Okay, let me take off these. Let's try on these ones. Oh, so it's very like dark. These lenses are very dark. They're really nice. I like them. They're a bit more smaller than I usually go. Yeah, like, who is she? These are real cute. I think, hopefully they are, because, you know, those are really nice. They kind of have like a bit of a cat eye. So it's not just the typical square, you have the little points. I have purchased a few of these Quay glasses before and I have been impressed. Very impressed. Next one is I'm Rich. That's the name. I'm Rich. So, you know, this one comes with a pouch. Unlike the clear plastic, this one comes with one of these pouches. You know, you just pop your glasses inside. Alright, so let's try on these I'm Rich. Let's see how these go. So this is covered with more plastic, assuming that this is more delicate. Oh my god. I don't want to break these, guys. What's with the complicated? Okay, I got it. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, so these ones are a bit more, have a blue shade with it. These are really nice, very clear vision. It looks real nice. It feels nice. Side angle, they have these little diamantes on the end here, which I think adds to the whole I'm Rich name. But yeah, definitely bougie. She bad, she bougie. Okay, this one hella bougie. You know, this is gonna be for the events. When I pull up, I'm gonna pull up in the I'm Rich. You know what I'm saying? I'm got my I'm Rich today on, so I'm Rich. You know, don't be asking no questions. Next up is a pair that I am familiar with. I actually had these and I've lost them, and I've honestly been broken because they're one of my favorites and I lost them. Like, I was like, did someone steal them off me? I don't think so. I think I just misplaced them or dropped them. I think it fell out of my car, to be honest, which is a real shame because these glasses ain't that cheap, you know? So I'm glad to have these back into my life. Summer is coming up and I definitely need to protect my eyes from the sun. Like, wow, these glasses are amazing. Amazing. I went on holidays with these lenses and I loved it. Like, who these be? Who these be? Who these be? I mean, who is she? Who is she? When you just can't choose which one you want. Like, oh, wow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Because I did, and now I have brand new sunnies, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be shady as F. I hope y'all really liked it, cause I like it. And I will be posting more soon, so like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you wanna, and follow my Instagram. Stay blessed, y'all.